Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about ecological succession. Succession in the sequence of colonization of species from an area of barren or destroyed land in an ecosystem. Mosses and lichens are the first species to inhabit an area. They make the area suitable for the growth of larger species such as grasses, shrubs, and finally trees. Definition of ecological succession. Ecological succession is a series of changes that occur in an ecological community over time. What is ecological succession? Ecological succession is the steady and gradual change in the species of a given area in relation to the changing environment. It is a predictable change and an inevitable process of nature, as all the biological components have to keep pace with the changes taking place in our environment. The ultimate aim of this process is to achieve balance in the ecosystem. The community that achieves this goal is called the climax community. In an effort to reach this equilibrium, some species increase in the number while others decrease. In an area, the sequence of communities that changes is called a sear. Thus, each community that changes is called a gradual phase or successive community. All the communities we see around us today have passed through succession from the time of their existence. Thus, we can say that evolution is a process that happened simultaneously with ecological succession. Also, the beginning of life on Earth can be considered as the result of this succession process. If we consider a region where the process of succession starts from scratch, it is known as primary succession. However, if life begins at a place after losing all the life forms present in that area, the process is called secondary succession. It is clear that primary succession is a slow process as life has to start from zero, whereas secondary succession is fast as it starts from the place which had already supported life. Furthermore, the first species to come into existence during the primary succession is known as the pioneer species. Types of ecological succession. These are the following types of ecological succession. Primary succession. Primary succession is the sequence that begins in non-living areas such as areas devoid of soil or areas where soil is unable to sustain life. When the planet was first formed, there was no soil on Earth. Earth was made up of only rocks. These rocks are broken down by microorganisms and eroded to form soil. The soil then becomes the foundation of plant life. These plants help various animals to survive and progress from primary succession to climax community. If this primary ecosystem is destroyed, secondary succession occurs. Secondary succession. Secondary sequence occurs when the primary ecosystem is destroyed. For example, a climax community is destroyed by, fire. After destruction, it is resettled. This is called the secondary ecological sequence. Small plants emerge first, followed by larger plants. The tall trees block sunlight and alter the structure of the organisms under the canopy. Then finally, climax comes the community. Cyclic succession. It is a change in the structure of an ecosystem only on an cyclic basis. Some plants remain dormant for the rest of the year and emerge all at once. It changes the structure of an ecosystem to great extent. Then seral community. The seral community is an intermediate stage of ecological succession progressing to a climax community. A seral community is replaced by a latter community. It consists of a simple food webs and food chain. It exhibits a very low level of diversity. The number of individuals is less and nutrients are also less. There are 7 different types of sears. Types of sears with explanation. Hydrosear, succession in aquatic habitat. Xerosear, succession in dry habitat. Lithosear, succession on a bare rock surface. Samosear, succession initiating on sandy areas. Succession starting in saline soil or water. Senile, succession of microorganisms on dead matter. Eosyl, development of vegetation in an era. Examples of ecological succession. The following are important examples of ecological succession. Acadia National Park. This national park faced severe wildlife. Restoration of the forest was left to nature. In the early years, only small plants grew on the burnt soil. After so many years, the forest showed diversity in the tree species. However, the pre-fire trees were mostly evergreen, while the post-fire trees were deciduous in nature. Ecological succession of coral reefs. Small corals colonize the reefs. These polyps grow and divide to form coral colonies. The size of coral reefs attracts smaller fish and crustaceans, which are food for larger fish. Thus, a fully functional coral reef exists